In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a PDF on Adobe Acrobat. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Home in your browser. This is the main landing area where you can access your documents and begin working with PDFs. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the bottom left side of the page for the Your Files section. This is where Acrobat stores files you've already uploaded, so it's the first place to check before bringing in a new document. If your PDF is not there yet, click Upload Files, then choose the PDF from your device. As soon as the upload is complete, Adobe Acrobat will automatically open the file for you, which makes the process quick and seamless. If the PDF has already been uploaded previously, you can skip that part and simply click the file listed under your files to open it. Once the PDF is open, click Edit. This switches Acrobat into editing mode and gives you access to the tools needed to make changes inside the document. From there, click on the specific part of the PDF you want to edit. When you do that, a text box outline will appear, letting you know you're now working inside that editable area. This visual outline is helpful because it confirms exactly which section you're modifying before you start typing. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section called Format Text. This is where you can change how your text looks. You can adjust the font, change the size, apply bold, italic, or underline formatting, and fine-tune spacing between words and lines. You can also work with line settings, add bullets and numbering, and even insert links if needed. These tools are especially useful when you want your edits to match the style of the original PDF. Below that, you'll find the Adjust Objects section. This area gives you additional control over objects within the PDF, helping you refine the layout as needed. Under Add Content, you have the option to add new text and images. That's useful if you're not just correcting existing content, but also expanding or updating the document with new elements. You can also use Adobe Express design features to stylize the PDF, use design tools, and even design a new page. This is a good option if your document needs more than simple editing and you want to enhance its visual presentation. Finally, in the Other Options section at the bottom of the left-hand column, you can organize pages, combine files, crop pages, and add page numbers. These tools are great for final cleanup and structuring your PDF before you save or share it. And that's how to edit a PDF on Adobe Acrobat.